Welcome to the Nature Channel. We are here to see some spiders and some frogs. Everyone talk Australian. Talk Australian, okay? This is the Nature Channel.
Get him.
This is the Nature Channel. We should talk Australian. Crikey! Here's some more lakes with more frogs. A little pond here. See if we can see frogs. Yes, they do. I know that for sure. Because I'm from the Nature Channel. Crikey! Crikey, here's some birds. There's some birds up in here.
I'm surprised bamboo hasn't made it up here yet.
Well, look at
It's more down, like near Saco.
Crikey!
Well, it depends if you grow it in the backyard.
An animal such as a bitch is here in the woods.
Don't tell me.
She is in the woods,
I'm not
crikey.
kidding, Austin.
Here's another one.
Don't even.
There's another. There's a couple more over there. Some animals.
Definitely tell that
Look,
we walk
crikey.
through a little bit of
Look at this
fog.
tree.
The mosquitoes
Such a bitch.
Yeah, I realized that.
Right, signing out.
Large water tree.